Hi everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to fix your Apple Pencil second generation connectivity problem. Stay tuned. As you can see right now, Apple Pencil work very well. I'm gonna attach Apple Pencil to the magnetic connector to the right side, and you can see how many percent battery I have. I have 3 or 4%, and I'm gonna to Bluetooth and turn off the Bluetooth. As you can see right now, when Apple Pencil runs out of the battery and doesn't work anymore. And what I do? The first thing I did, unscrew the Apple Pencil tip, and again I screw it back and make sure it's tight. As you can see, iPad Pro can recognize the Apple Pencil, but the problem is it doesn't connect anymore. But in the left side I have an AirPods, which is really fast and easy to connect to iPad Pro. And finally I found out you need to go to setting, to general, and tap on the rest all setting and put your password there and make sure you rest all your setting.
15 minutes later.
After restarting all setting, we are gonna find together it's Apple Pencil working on this iPad or no. It seems working, yeah, it seems iPad Pro recognized the Apple Pencil and show how many battery percent do I have. And it seems working, yeah. Just remember, I restart this iPad more than 100 times. And the only one way it's working, restart all your setting. That's it. I hope Apple is gonna fix this issue as soon as possible. And we are gonna write something under this app which I bought 10 bucks, GoodNote, and it seems work perfectly. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.